Good morning, students. Hope you had a good weekend. This is another week, and I hope that you have a good week ahead. Well, we're continuing our class, and today we are going to be looking at subunit, other these jobs and work. We'll be looking at looking for a job. Looking for a job. So today we are going to be looking at some unusual jobs, and yes, so let's start with this question. First of all, what do you think people do if people are looking for a job? How do people look for a job? I know now you're still students and you're not looking for jobs, but it's a good thing to start thinking about because after your school, after your education, you are going to do jobs. So right now, how to look for a job is what we'll study, and hopefully you will learn one or two things from it. Apart from it being English, it's also part of life. So let's go ahead without wasting much time. Number one, talk about it. How do people find jobs? I want you to start thinking, how do people find jobs? What do they do? Where do they go to? Who do they talk to? And so on and so forth. So, with your partner, think of three different ways someone could find jobs. Are you thinking about this? How can people find jobs? Okay, so I'll give you a clue. Usually, when people are looking for jobs, people go on the computer and search on the net for vacancies. What is a vacancy? A vacancy is a position in a company or in a place that they want people to fill, people to come and apply for. They want people to work in. So people look for vacancies on the internet, on company sites or on job sites. So on job sites, you find vacancies, companies' names and positions that they want people to fill. So that is one way to find a job. What other ways do you think there are to find jobs? Okay, so by now you should have been able to answer one or two. But to just fill that on, sometimes if you're watching TV, during advertisement in TV when you're watching a program or something, there can be an advertisement that is that is posted on there for jobs. Also, if you're reading newspapers, sometimes newspapers carry job advertisements where people can apply. Also, on notice boards, sometimes when you're walking down the street, you will see some notices that are pasted on the walls saying we are looking for somebody to do this job for us or that job for us. Those are called notice boards, either in shops or on the street or anywhere. People can also read up and find jobs there. So yes, now we go to uh read. Now I've just spoken about job advertisement here. So we are going to read, match the job titles in the box to the advertisement. Right here, there are three job advertisements here. One, two, three. There are three job advertisements here, and we are going to match these job advertisements with these job titles here in this part. So there are three jobs here: a zookeeper, an astronaut, an inventor. Now we are going to read these three advertisements and find out which belongs to which. An advertisement is just a piece of information that is telling you the kind of job that is available and telling you the qualities that you need to have before you can apply for the job. So we start with this one, the first job advert here. It says, we are looking for an enthusiastic person to join our team. I just put person here because I think that is what it should be. So we are looking for an enthusiastic person to join our team. The person must know a lot about planets. The person must be able to fly a rocket. or be willing to learn. The person must be good with heights. The person, okay, now interviews will be held in the satellite station. So this is a job advertisement. Now, out of these three jobs, which job do you think is being advertised here? From the qualities that they want, from the kind of person that they want, you should be able to tell which of these jobs is being spoken about here. Now, start thinking about that. I'll go to the second advertisement. Could you invent the world's best Could you invent the world's next best-selling gadget? If so, we want to hear from you. We are looking for genius level to form a dynamic new team. He or she must be able to do experiments, must be fascinated by science. For further details, please visit our website. Interviews will be held in the time machine. This is another advert. 2. Now the last one. 3. We are looking for a friendly person to lead our team of animal carers. Experience needed. This is not an easy job. Must be interested in all kinds of animals, not just the cuddly ones. Must be brave and not afraid of animals with big teeth and claws. Interviews will be held in the lion enclosure. So right now, these are three adverts. Which job do you think goes for this one? Which job? Of course, this job is for the astronaut. This job is looking for an astronaut. What do you think this job should be matched to? A zookeeper or an inventor? Of course, an inventor. This advertisement is for an inventor. And of course, the last one is for a zookeeper. So by reading an advertisement, you can tell what kind of person they are looking for even without mentioning. But sometimes it is being mentioned in the advertisement. So let's go to the next page. And by the way, these jobs, of course, they are unusual jobs. You don't see people every day that do these jobs. So these three jobs that are advertised here, they are unusual jobs. Unusual jobs. Put that at the back of your mind. Excuse me. So we'll go to the next page, page 103. So now here, read the advertisement again. Which of these candidates are most suitable for the jobs in activity 2? So here, there are people here that have qualifications and that have some qualities. It is left for us now to know what job these people are good for out of these three jobs that we've spoken about here: a zookeeper, an astronaut, an inventor. Put at the back of your mind what the advertisement is looking for the people to have. Now let's go quickly. First, Priya is really good at design and technology. Priya is good at design and technology, so which job will she be good for? Can I hear you say it? Yes, she will be good for the inventor's job. Am I right? At design and technology. We'll see. Number 2, Finn is fascinated by biology and natural science. Biology and natural science. Which job do you think she will be good for? Of course, she will be good for the job of the zookeeper. Biology has to do with animals, natural science has to do with the environment. Okay, Zainab is keen on astronomy. Astronomy, keyword, astronomy. Of course, she will be good for the job of astronaut. So, let's go. Peter is very interested in history and math. This is dicey. Which of the jobs will a person that has studied history and math be good for? Well, I'd say the inventor's job, an inventor, but then these three here are sure. But I think Peter is very interested in math and history. He will be good. to actually do the inventor's job, I think. That is my thought. Tell me what you think about that. So, use of English. Now we want to study uh, present continuous. Now, in English, we have different kinds of tenses. What matters in English is the verb, the tense in which the verb is in. And we use present continuous to describe continuous action happening now. Continuous. In English, continuous means what is happening right now and it is happening. So in English, present continuous is actually the ing form of the verb. The continuous form of verb is the ing. ing. So verbs having ing, they are in the continuous form. Now the present form is also the be form of verb. Be form of verb, which is, are, am, and so on and so forth. So we have two examples here, just two examples here. We are looking for enthusiastic and dedicated astronauts. We are looking for enthusiastic and dedicated astronauts. We are recruiting genius level inventors. Are and looking represents the present continuous. Are and looking. The present form is are, the continuous form is looking. The continuous always has an ing. Always. We are recruiting genius level inventors. Are is the present form. Recruiting is the continuous form. These we here are pronouns. In this case, they are serving as the subject of the sentence. Okay, perhaps for this class, I'd like to stop here. I want you to give me three more examples of the present continuous sentence. Present continuous sentence, three more examples. Remember, are and looking. Are is a form of the present and the continuous form is the ing form of the verb. I just want to know that you understand. Just give me three more examples. In the next class, I will discuss in details. So, however, the main task for you to do in this class is here. I want you to read the job advertisements on page 102 again and answer these questions. These are the questions that I want you to answer. I'm not going to read the question out for you. I want you to pause this video, read these questions, read the advertisement, and answer these questions. If you have any question, you can ask. Good luck to you in performing your task.